Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Terrence Hedgepest, right here, or as y'all on YouTube know me as King Killer Kuma 08. But yo, I'm about to pull the prank of a century, man. Guess who I'm about to call? Just go ahead. I'll even wait for you. Wrong. Whoever you just guess, unless you watched the video before, that don't count. But anyway, I'm about to prank phone call Jigsaw. That's right. The ultimate schemer from Saw 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I just got his number. I even went to his house to make sure it was him I'm calling. And look, I got a souvenir. His coat. Shoot, this junk is comfortable. We ain't never getting this back. But anyway, I'm about to prank phone call this dude. Y'all watch me work. This junk gonna be funny as I don't know what. Razor.
Hello?
Hey, is this Jigsaw speaking?
Yes, this is Jigsaw speaking. May I ask who is this?
I am Tyler Braswell.
Well, hello there. What allowed you to call me this evening? And what the private business?
Never mind the number, but do you have a computer at home by any chance?
Do I have a computer at home?
Yes.
Well, yes I do. Why do you ask?
So I can put my hard drive in your software.
Put your heart? Oh, I despise prank phone callers. Y'all are number 2 on my list.
Number 2? Now who was number 1?
What's number 1?
Yeah.
Murderers. In that case, I have a prank for you, funny boy.
What kind of prank?
I want to play a game.
A game? I think I'm appear to be having a busy signal. I can't. Maybe that wasn't the smartest thing to do in the world, you know. Prank calling a master killer like that, right? Well, I'm scared. And if I don't make another video in the next 2 weeks, call my mama. And I'm not crying. I'm just really emotional right now because I'm so happy on how well that prank went. I'm screwed up.